Hey guys, welcome back to Arieamore's makeup room where we learn and grow together. I am back with another eyeshadow tutorial. Today we are all about fall eyes with a little summer twist. Guys, I'm super excited to be back with another video. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and give this video a nice big thumbs up and meet me down in the comments down below, guys. All right, you ready to get into this tutorial? Let's go. All right, guys, so we are going to start this look out with the Morphe palette. You guys already know it is my favorite. I say that in almost every video. We went straight into this orange shade and we are going above the crease, guys. Not into the crease, above the crease, and we're just kind of giving it, we're jumping straight into making this look already blown out, and we're filling the eyelid up to the guys. I'm packing on so much of that orange because I want that orange to be nice and bold, nice and fun, you guys. So we are going to go in and make sure that we blend everything nice and smoothly because we don't want it to look real cakey even though we pack that color on. So take your time, guys, and just get that look that you're going for. And I did that until I got the look I was going for. We're going into the Color Studio palette, guys. It's been such a long time since you've seen this palette, but it got the yellow in it. Even though the Morphe palette has yellow, I love the yellow from this palette in particular because it's very pigmented and I can actually pack that color on to where it really shows. Yellow sometimes does not really show up. It really depends on what brand you're using it from. So I'm just packing the color in. I'm not really going in and blending just yet. Guys, I want to go ahead and invite you over to my Cash App for donations, model Arieamoore. Via Cash App, I'm taking donations. All donations will be going towards makeup products and makeup products only, guys. Thank you so much in advance. So now you guys are seeing me finally use my brush that I had that orange in, and I'm just blending it out very lightly. I'm not trying to go over that yellow at all. I'm just like, wherever the yellow and the orange met, I was just like really just brushing it very lightly to make it smooth. And then as you can see, the color kind of starts to dissolve when you do that. So go back in, put some more color on top, and do the same thing all over again, guys. It's a process that you gotta trust. Okay, so we're gonna go into that Juvia's chocolate palette, guys, and we're just gonna use one color out of this, which is that chocolate right here, like a really nice dark brown, and we're gonna go right into the crease of my eyes and just really build that color on. Now, I will say, you're not gonna see the full brown once I do my cut crease. It is okay, guys. All I needed was a hint of that brown to show to really divide the look up. So that's very, very important. Those orange and that yellow are like my transition colors to really make everything pop. That brown is just an extra precaution to make everything flow very, very smooth. So don't think you got to skip over this. Like, don't think, oh, I'm going to skip it and it's still going to look good. Don't do that to yourself. Don't do that to yourself. Add that brown, like for real. Add that dark color, because when you do that cut crease, that little small piece that shows really makes a big difference in the final look. That's all I got to say. Now you guys are seeing me do that cut crease. So this is where you're going to kind of get the idea of what I'm saying. You see how it's just a tiny bit of that brown that's still there? It looks like it's a liner. You know what I'm saying? It's there, but it ain't there. But it's popping, but it ain't there, but it's really there. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. And I'm using my flat brush, and today I decided to use a white concealer. I'm not using my white eyeshadow base. I'm using concealer only. You guys know the difference between, should know the difference by now watching these videos, that the eyeshadow base, it dries a lot faster. So it's just, you know, it's a good go-to if you need to hurry up, and it's real tacky naturally. The concealer takes some time to dry. You really got to smoothen it out. You got to do the most, guys. You got to do the most. You got to do the most. But the looks come out different, if that makes sense. Like, I don't know. I don't have all the time in the world to explain that right now. So we're not going to do that. So now we're going to go back into that chocolate palette from Juvia's Place, guys. And we're just going to go ahead and create like a brown wing. You know what I'm saying? Something cute, something cute. And the good thing about this is, it didn't really have to be super neat. Like, I just was throwing that color on there. Just throw that color on there and let your brush do whatever it wants to do and let it create art.
I do want to invite you guys over to my podcast, Late Nights with Ari. I just uploaded a new podcast as well as 2 videos from my couples camping trip, which you already can see in the background. You know what I'm saying? It's playing in the background. I have my little 2 pigtails. I was out there all natural, living my best life. And I would love for you guys to go check that video out, guys. The link will be in the description box down below. Late Nights with Ari. All right, guys, let's go. So, okay, let's go ahead back into this Morphe palette, back into that orange, okay? I had to lightly pat this orange on. So, this right here is a good way to tell y'all the difference of what the concealer does versus the eyeshadow base. I feel like the white eyeshadow base really brings the colors out. Like, it makes the colors pop. Something about those bases make the color pop. I wanted my eyelids right here into that cut crease to look more of a neutral and kind of deep look. So notice the difference of that orange that's sitting above the cut crease versus the orange that's going into the cut crease. They're very different, but they're the same colors. That is what I'm talking about. Like when you use a base versus concealer, it's either going to add to the color or lighten the color. So I'm glad I got to kind of explain that as best as I could. If y'all didn't get it, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what to tell you because I'm still learning. This is a learning environment for us all. Maybe you can leave a comment and help me explain that furthermore. I'm here for it. But anyway, guys, I'm just blending that on both sides and just mixing it with that brown and just making everything nice and neutral.
Okay, so we're going to try to like turn this look up a little bit with some yellow liner and some blue glitter. I'm so curious to see how that's going to turn out considering the fact that everything is so neutral and I'm adding that blue glitter to make it a little more bold.
It is your girl Ari and welcome.
So we are here with that yellow liner, guys. This is the last part that you are actually going to see in this video. So I just went over with my liner and followed that cut crease line. I took my time and made sure that everything was nice and smooth. That yellow just really helped separate the looks. It showed up very amazing in my photos. It was popping, locking, and dropping. You know what I'm saying? It was really, really good, guys. Like, I was really excited. And then right after I did the liner, I went in with my glitter and added some pearls to my look, and it just really worked out. I really just love how being creative, you can just really, you may have a vision when you start, which the glitters and the liners was not a part of my vision. It was just going to be a natural look, and once you finish, you look at yourself and you're like, wow, well, that definitely just happened, and I just love it. This is the final look, guys. As you can see, I have those pearls. I have the glitter streaks here and there. It's just so beautiful and different for a fall look, and it was just so much fun to create. I just love the progress that I'm making. I just want to thank you guys so much for being a part of this journey. You guys have motivated me so much. I do see you guys' requests for videos, guys. So be patient with me. Those videos will be uploaded very soon. Continue to give me some comments, advice, and suggestions in the comments. Subscribe, like, and share this video, guys. Bye.